Okay, so... Hindi ba na prepared si prepared siya.
Hi, Elodie Guzman. Wala na hinaon niya mo ito tatong salman para has na lang ipinag-system niya. Kagayan, the oral mission / punto doon. Above all, the truth never felt so right, so good. There's a light leading me on, and the voice that's calling my name. I remember pa na ko before nga, basta ka nga nakapagpapalito mo, nakahintay mo kung nga pero, walang thought, mabot yung mga naman sa kapal. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sama mo kaya have to shout. Thank you so much. And we really appreciate you. We're grateful sa inyo. Ayaw ko yung night to meet again. Ciao.
Okay, thanks, Sir Lovely. Okay, it's Annie's turn. Annie. Hey, share a message.
All of my fears and all that I have to learn, but somebody sees the person
Ay, sige na, uy, mabot na sila.
so I wear my
Ay, God. Ipatanaw daw, hala, sige, Miss May palag ko? Ipakita yan ako?
steps not ready to serve.
Oh, tama na, si Surya na.
Leading me on, and the voice that's
Tama mo.
calling my name. I will go where it leads, put my life in His hands. I know I can. Send me
Ako, sige, nakurog ako pa mo. God be with you. Pwede sa namin. Kuya Frankie, go! Pag-warning mo na sila.
there's a light inside that's leading me on, and the voice that's calling my name. I believe I will go where it leads, put my life in His hands. I understand this is His plan.
Lagyan ka nag-edit yung muna. Ano ba? Karoon na.
Hello. Amping. Salamat sa pag-servisyon niyo sa work.
Amen.
Ano doon ito yung muna na?
I agree.
Kanya, sa amping, both important. Eh, grabe ang kwan. Ayaw bubuhay yung armor pag ulit na sa. Ay, dali na.
Mana?
Mana.
Mana.
Sige.
It's your turn. Come on.
Just looking at the end of
Sound brothers, airport.
sometimes it doesn't fit so with the plans in your head.
Alivide.
Just before you reach the scene of the station,
Hindi pa ginako pa sa focus, mag-concentrate despite sa kalugayan mo dami. So I know how to be like
with all the strong winds blowing past. That's where faith lives, that's where fear tries to go. That's where everybody guesses, and you're the one who really knows. It may take the most that you can give to find a place where faith lives. It lives in the fiery furnace, and it lives in the lion's den, and sometimes in the wilderness, where it lives and dies and lives again. It lives in the shadow of affliction, just before the morning sun comes out. And it lives in the window where you throw away all your doubts. That's where faith lives, that's where fear tries to go. That's where everybody guesses, and you're the one who really knows. It may